Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. Last week we did a little bit of breaking curves, so this week I'm going to show you what it really can do. If you see here, I've got this ribbon. Click on the right screen. Snaking through the text. Now this started out as it's text. One curve, and it looks like it's going behind some of the characters. I like how the ribbon just perfectly matched with the E there. I was going to break it there, and it's like, nah, leave it. It looks better this way anyway. So, click over here, where I have one set up. Text. It's about 300. And that was avocado sands. Regular. Just curve. Breaker. Breaker of curves. We need to be able to see that, and then just make it look good. I don't know why it does that. Drag it just a little and it changes back to text. And in text you can't click V for the move tool, because you'll click a V. Okay, then you need the ribbon. So that is mostly swash and OS. That's mostly the font, that's the swash. And the U key gives you the nice one there. Let's put the color in. Convert it to curves, that's a must. That looks good. Now, zoom in so you can see what's going on here. Here we get the node tool. And we're going to add nodes. You see here the yellow lines show up, so you can see where you're lined up. You need 4 of them. And drag to select them. That's the fastest and easiest way. Trying to do it single and holding control doesn't work. It's a pain in the butt. By dragging, easy. Then we just click the delete key. Oop, that did not go out right. What happened? Okay, well you saw how that screwed up. Let me now on my one here, this did not happen. So when I got my 4 here, you saw that I hit delete and that crap happened. So to fix that, I added another node here and another one there. Then go back and select only the first 4 and break the curve. Slide on over to the K. Wait for our yellow line. There it is. Grab it. This time we're going to do something a little different. Ooh. Can you guess where that is? Or maybe not. Okay, put it right there. I don't want that in the way. back to the node tool, select our 4, and now instead of breaking curves, we have to close the curve, select them again, and then break the curve. If you don't do that, the whole thing disappears. And now, go to the R, do the same thing. Okay. So back out a minute, because we're not quite done here. You can't really see at this, well you can, see the line there and there. And there's one there and you can't see it, but there's one there too. Over here, the dark spots without thick lines are those little tiny lines. We need to delete them. Those are the leave-ins. We don't need the leave-ins. And one more. That's the one we couldn't see. Get this out of the way. And there it is. Nice and simple. Got the ribbon weaving through the text. I don't think you can add these, but let's see. You can, if you want, and I like to. I like the fewest lines on this side as possible. If I can't add them, I group them. I keep forgetting to add a message to join my Facebook group. Link is in the description below. You can ask all kinds of questions in there about anything, not just merch, other opportunities as well. So that's it for this week. If you like what you saw, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next week.